Dear students, now let me solve the next surface integration. Okay, so here the question is that let f is equal to 4xz minus y square j cap plus yz k cap. Evaluate f dot n cap ds, where s is the surface of the cube bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, 1, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. That means 6 surfaces are there. Okay, now let me first do the integration for x is equal to 0. So first let me do for x is equal to 0, and for x is equal to 0, what is the surface? So if we do for x is equal to 0, then the surface is this. Let me take it. This is O, A, B, C. Okay, and this surface is D, E, F, and then G. Okay, so x is equal to 0 means this surface O, C, G, F. O, C, G, F. Okay, and for this surface, for OCGF, okay, that is the surface, this surface actually. Okay, so for this surface, what is the n cap? N cap is outward normal, so the outward normal will be behind the x-axis, that means minus I cap. So n cap is here minus I cap. Okay, so what is f dot n cap? Now for x is equal to 0, if you talk about f, so here f is equal to, as x is equal to 0, then this part will be 0, so it will be only minus y square j cap plus yz k cap plus yz k cap dot, it will be minus I cap, because n cap means minus I cap. So f dot n cap, you can say f dot n cap is this, so it will be 0, because I dot j and k dot I will be 0. So the for this surface, for x is equal to 0, the surface integration is 0. Now for x is equal to 1, so for x is equal to 1, what will be f dot n cap? So f will be this, so if you put x is equal to 1, then it will be 4z I cap, okay, minus y square j cap plus yz k cap, yz k cap. Now what is n cap? For x is equal to 1, n cap is along x-axis, so it will be I cap, so it will be just 4z, only 4z. So what will be the integration now? So if you talk about integration, f dot n cap ds, then it will be just 4z, okay, and f dot n cap is here 4z, and what will be ds? So here ds, you can see for x is equal to 1, the surface is this, so it will be dz dy, because the projection will be on yz plane, so this dx will be dz dy. Why it is dz dy? Because the surface is here, this surface is here actually de abde actually, okay, abde, this is the surface. So if abde is the surface, then it will be parallel to yz plane, you can say this is parallel to yz plane. So this is z axis, this is y axis, so DEAB is a parallel to yz plane, so its projection will be on yz plane, you can say, okay. So it will be just dz dy, and here n cap we have defined earlier, n cap is I cap. So that is the integration that we have to do. So it will be just 4 into integration z dz and then integration dy. Now z will also vary from 0 to 1, and y will also vary from 0 to 1. So it will be 4 into z square by 2, that means half into 1, okay. So it will be just 2, 4 into half into 1, okay. Similarly we have to do other two integration, that is one is for y is equal to 0 and another is for y is equal to 1. So let me do for y is equal to 0. So let me write f again. So what is f? F is equal to here 4xz I cap, then minus y square j cap, plus yz k cap, yz k cap minus y square j cap, yz k cap. Okay. Now if we talk about y is equal to 0 surface, okay, so what will be your f? For y is equal to 0, these two term will be 0, so f will be only 4xz I cap. Now if you see n cap for y is equal to 0, what is the surface y is equal to 0? This is the y is equal to 0 surface, and its n cap will be along this direction, so that will be just minus j cap, minus j cap. So now if you put minus j cap, if we take dot product, so we have f dot n cap will be just 4xz I cap dot minus j cap is equal to 0. So what will be surface integration? So surface integration will also be 0 when f dot n is equal to 0. Now if you talk about y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, then you will have f is equal to just 4xz I cap minus j cap, because y is equal to 1, plus z k cap, plus z k cap. Now here what will be n cap? Let me find n cap. For y is equal to 1, this is y is equal to 1 surface, and the n cap will be this, so it will be now j cap. Okay, so if you put f dot n cap, so f dot n cap will be this dot j cap, so it will be just minus 1, minus 1. So what will be the surface integration now? F dot n cap ds, so it will be just minus 1, and what is ds? Let me find out ds. For y is equal to 1, the ds will be on this xz plane, so it will be dx dz, so it will be just dx dz. Again x will vary from 0 to 1, okay, and z will vary from 0 to 1, so it will be just 1 into 1 into 1, it will be minus 1, minus 1. Okay, now another surface is z. Okay, so for z is equal to 0, what we have? For z is equal to 0, you can see this and this term will be 0, so it will be only minus y square j cap. So f will be minus y square j cap. Now if you see the figure, then you can see for z is equal to 0, this surface, the unit vector will be along this direction, along this direction. So that means this is minus k cap, and for this surface it will be plus k cap. So if you take the dot product, so it will be, so f dot n will be minus y square j cap dot, okay, minus k cap, and that will again 0, so surface integration will be 0, and the last surface will be z is equal to 1 surface. Now for z is equal to 1 surface, what is f? F will be, let me see again, for z is equal to 1, so here is 4x y square and y, 4x y square and y, so it will be 4x I cap minus y square j cap plus, for z is equal to 1, will only y k cap, so it will be y k cap. Now if we talk about f dot n, then f dot n will be just with this, it will be k cap, so it will be y. Okay, so now if you talk about integration f dot n cap ds, then what is f dot n cap is y, and what is ds? Let me see. What is ds for z is equal to 1? Okay, you can see for z is equal to 1, the surface is xy surface. This is the surface which is parallel to xy surface. This surface is parallel to xy surface, so it will be dx dy, because the projection will be on xy plane, so it will be just dx dy. So now what you find, we just find integration dx and integration y dy, and both will vary from 0 to 1, so it will be just 1, and it will be y square by 2, that means half, so this is half. So what we will get, we will get 0 for 3 surface. Okay, and for the first surface we get 0, then 2, so we will get 0 plus 2, then we have got minus 1, then again we have got half. Okay, and others 2 are also 0. So for 6 surface we get for 3 surface there is a finite result, and for other 3 surface it will be 0. So the total surface integration, if you talk at f dot, if you talk about f dot n cap ds, f dot n cap ds surface integration, so we will have just 2 minus 1 plus half, there is 1 plus half, it will be 3/2. So this will be your result. Okay, thank you.